Welcome to Briscoe Galaxy. I'm Abraham Tabat, and in this video today I'm going to be showing you how to add a product variation on your e-commerce or WooCommerce website in WordPress. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, kindly subscribe and click the bell notification icon so you can stay updated on other amazing videos we create. I'm currently designing this e-commerce website for a jewelry business. I'm going to show you how you could add product variations for any product on the website. This is a bracelet. The bracelet has three different colors. It has a gold, rose gold, and also a silver color. So a customer is able to pick whatever variations of the product they want to purchase. So I'm going to show you how to just do this. So we're going to be adding this product. It's a Gucci bracelet and it has three variations of the product. Let's add this Gucci bracelet on the website. First things first, you would go to your back end of your website. Basically, to get to the back end of your website, you just use this wp-admin to access the back end of your website. Input your username and your password. It takes you to the back end of your website. Right now, I just come down here to where it's listed here, product. You can see under WooCommerce here, there's a product section there. Just add new product. I have the pictures of the product. I also have a little description of the product. So this is the description of the product right here. So I'll just copy it down here and paste it here. I'll just add the title of the product here. It's a Gucci bracelet, like this. Gucci bracelet, and okay, let's copy all of that and add it as the product title. We have that changes. So the features, these are the features. Color, the price for this product is going for 3,000 naira. Okay, we need to put category. The category is bracelets. Okay, so after doing that, we need to come down here to this section where it gives you the product data. In the product data section, if you wanted to list the products individually, that's the gold, silver, and rose gold individually, you use a simple product. Okay, but if you're trying to add a product variation, you just click the button. It gives you product variable products. That's what you're going to use. So enable stock management. I'll put 90 pieces of this bracelets available for sale, and I come down here to attributes because I'm trying to have different colors. I'm trying to allow customers to pick different colors of the product. So I'll come to attributes here, and you can always add an attribute by coming here. And if you're trying to add a custom attribute that is not already available, I've added a couple here: brand, color, and size. If you're trying to add a new one, what you just need to do is click here on add, and it allows you to add the variable you're trying to do. So I will just use the ones I've added. So you can see if I'm trying to add a color attribute for this product, I just click color right here and add. Okay, so it gives me the color variable. So I can use, I'll click this button here, use for variations, and I will select the colors I want. I've already inputted different colors. If you don't find the colors you want here, it's very easy to add a new color. If you want to add a new color to this variation, all you need to do is come here to add new, and let's say I put purple. Now I have purple selected, but that's I'm not trying to add purple color to this Gucci bracelet. I'm just showing you how to add a new value to the variations you have. We have gold here, we have rose gold right here, and we have a silver right here. Okay, so what we'll do is we will save the attribute. All right, when we save the attribute, we come down here to variations. You click variations, and you can see here you can add a variation. So I will select add a variation. Okay, go. Now it picks the variation we just added right there. If you're trying to add more variations, like for size, you can now come over here and add size, add brand. Like I can add size like this, and it adds, I can have different sizes for the product, so the customer can pick whatever variations they want. But I'm trying to just add a color variation. Okay, so I don't need size for now, but I'm just showing you how you can go about adding that. So let's go back to variations right here. So color variations, now you have this giving me all the color variations I've added right here in the attributes. 3 colors that I added here. It's making that available right here for me to tweak and also add price and everything, and every product information for that variation. So I'll pick the good color, and I would click the good color and come here and add the price for the good color. It's the same price for all of them. So right there you can see, if you have a regular price and a sale price, you can add there. And if you also have a wholesale price, actually use a wholesale plugin to create wholesale prices, but I'm not adding that right now. I've added for gold. Now I'm trying to add for a different color. So what I'll do is I'll just come here to add new variation. Again, add variation, and it brings the color variation that we have in the attributes here. So I'll select a different color, rose gold, and I'll come to the rose gold here, and I'll set the price for the rose gold 3,000 naira, and I can close that. So I have for rose gold, I'm going to add another variation, and this color I'm going to use silver this time, and I will set the price for silver also 3,000 naira. And I think that's it for the variations here. For the color variations, I think that's it for the color variations. So I can just come down here and save changes. Okay, so now that I've done that, and I want to add a short product description, and this is what I do. I'll just copy this right here and come to short product description down here, product short description, and I'll paste on sale for 3,000 naira. Okay, what else I want? So now we need to add a product tags. So product tags, basically Gucci design bracelet. Okay, so add for product tags, you add product tags to what you add as product tags are just relevant keywords people would use to search for this kind of product you're adding. So it's a bracelet, so Gucci design bracelet. I could add also Gucci bracelet. I could add bracelets. Right now let's just add the product image, and I have to navigate to where the product no, this is not Gucci. Let's find the Gucci folder right here, and here we are. We can add the product image. The first image that will be shown on the website is the product image right here. So I will just add in an alt text for the image. Make sure all your images have alt text. It's good for SEO. And product gallery, you have a slide. When they are trying to get the product, they see slides of different dimensions of the product. Okay, 1, 2, 3. I'll add the 3 for the product gallery. I will just add the alt text for all the images like that. Alt text, and I think that's it. So we have the 3 images right here for the product gallery. We have set the price, we've set the categories, the product tags, and the full description of the product right here, the title. So we can just publish the product and preview the product on the front page of the website. Right now let's just view product and see if everything works perfectly fine. This is the Gucci bracelet we just added, and let's see if it works fine. Yes, it works perfectly fine. So you can see we've added the product variation. A customer trying to purchase this product can just come down here and pick the color they want: gold, rose gold, and silver. So that's how to add a product variation to your e-commerce or WooCommerce website using WordPress.
Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful and you would want other great videos on tech, growing your business and making more money online, subscribe to our channel at Britschool and click the bell notification icon so you can stay updated on upcoming videos. You can also connect with us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn at Britschool, or visit us at britschool.com. Have a great time and keep smashing it. Bye.